What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A82 release date, price, news, leaks, and what the phone may bring. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. We pulled up this article from TechRadar, as you guys can see right there, and we're going to go ahead and go through this with you just to go ahead and see what we can get from this and what we can expect. Now it says, for thrifty buyers who found the Galaxy S21 too expensive, the Samsung Galaxy A82 is on its way with familiar flagship specs but a more mid-range price, though we are still waiting on Samsung's official confirmation. It says 2 years removed from the Galaxy A80 novelty phone and its rotating pop-up selfie camera, the Galaxy A82 is rumored to have an upgraded version of that camera. It says we don't yet know exact pricing or where Samsung will sell the A82, but do have some information on the specifications. It says the Galaxy S21 series launched in January and immediately dominated our list of the best phones. Since then, Samsung has focused on developing cheaper models, the Galaxy A72, Galaxy A52 5G, and the upcoming Galaxy S21 FE. Add in the Galaxy A82 and you're looking at a crowded list of options. It says here's what we know about the Samsung Galaxy A82, including how it will stack up against the other 2021 Galaxy A phones and our wish list of features to make it stand out from the pack. So it says the Samsung Galaxy A82 release date and price. It says we don't know yet when the Galaxy A82 will be announced or launched, except that it will ship sometime in 2021. Nor do we have any pricing data, though it's fair to assume that the list price will be higher than the Galaxy A72, but lower than the Galaxy S21, obviously. It says when Samsung announced the upcoming launches of the Galaxy A72, A52, and A52 5G, we were somewhat surprised that the Galaxy A82 didn't feature in the announcement as well. We've known since January that Samsung is actively developing the A82, and all of the AX2 phones were trademarked at the same time. Perhaps Samsung didn't want to release too many phones at once, or the A82's gimmicky camera needed extra development time. We're hoping Samsung will admit its existence and give us a firm release date and price soon. But this device is definitely going to be coming out soon. It's definitely been in the works from Samsung. I've been hearing so much about this device. It also said we heard rumors in January that Samsung had begun developing a 5G successor to the Galaxy A80, but we didn't have firmer evidence until Google itself leaked its existence, adding the Galaxy A82 of its list of phones that support AR Core. When the latest Galaxy A82 leak gave us specific A82 specs, a Snapdragon 860 chipset, 5G connectivity, up to 6 GB of RAM, and a 1080 by 2400 pixel display, and Android 11 OS. So that would be nice if it releases with the Android 11 OS. This is what it is saying right here. These are the specifications, as you guys can see. You guys can go ahead and take a screenshot if you want to go ahead and check that out. It also says screen density at 450 ppi. It says that leak shown in the tweet above also gave us a potential look at the front side of the A82 handset. This render looks very similar to the A52 and A72, including a punch hole selfie camera, which made us skeptical whether or not it was genuine. It says the A82 reportedly has a pop-up selfie camera, which would have the main rear camera pop up and rotate to the front-facing shot. A Samsung patent we learned of earlier this year, depicted below, shows a front panel with no selfie camera, notches, or cutouts, as you guys can see. And I hope we do have something like this. That would be really cool. Honestly, I don't think it's a gimmick. I think it's cool when Samsung tries to test different things, even though everyone may not like it. I just love their creativity with, like the foldable phones and things like that, and what they did on the A80. I really think that they can make some cool stuff. We're going to have to see what the people like, but it says it could be the Galaxy A82 has both a pop-up camera and a hole punch camera. If not, we still haven't seen a reliable render of the phone yet. Pop-up camera aside, we suspect the A82 will have similar specifications to the A72 and A52, given they were all developed side by side with one another. So though we don't have the A82 specs yet, we can make educated guesses. It says both the A72 and A52 have a 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture main camera, 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera, and a 32 megapixel f2.2 aperture selfie camera. It says the A82 could match or slightly upgrade on its siblings in camera quality, with the big change being that you could use a 64 megapixel rear camera for selfies. And that would be really nice to use that, because I feel like sometimes the selfie camera obviously is going to have less power, but I feel like, you know, if they really wanted to, they would only need one camera. So, you know, that would be honestly prime if they can do that. It says, as for the battery life, the A52 supports a 4500 milliamp battery. We know all these specifications already. And it says they believe that the A82 will match but not exceed the capacity. Both phones also have 25 watt fast charging. So they'll probably have fast charging, 25 watt fast charging. If not, it would be cool if they did that. And I don't think it's going to have any less, because it is going to be a more expensive phone. And obviously, Alex Weinbach, a leaking veteran on Twitter, has a video right here. And I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to go ahead and check out all of this. But it shows a little video right here. It says a leaked teaser for the phone makes a point of highlighting the battery and charging. The fact that these features are the phone's key selling points suggests the device could beat its sibling in this way, and maybe it'll reach 6,000 milliamps. That would be an insane battery, and I'm hoping that actually does happen. But it says all of Samsung's 2021 phones have a plastic back, including the S21 lineup. Both the A72 and A52 have Super AMOLED screens, though the A52 beats the A72 with a refresh rate of 120 Hz versus 90 Hz, and that's actually for the A52 5G, not just the regular A52. It says they're not certain which the A82 will get. Each phone has an IP67 water resistance, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and either 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes of storage. But it says what we want to see, and we're going to go scroll down here. It says a massive improvement on the A80 pop-up design. I didn't really like that design either. I was happy that they tried something new, because they are going to break through eventually and get something that just, you know, is going to completely revolutionize mid-range devices and budget phones, because it seems like we're seeing everything from every phone company, and it feels like every phone company has given up on their designs and they've just been sticking to the old stuff. So it says a massive improvement on the A80 pop-up design. It says they want a 6.7 inch with 120 Hz display, an upgraded rear camera, that would be great. And those are the wants for A82. I don't want to go over those, but if you guys want to read the rest of the article, I will leave it down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you want on the Galaxy A82? Knowing that it is going to come out in 2021 eventually, hopefully in the next couple months. If that actually happens, would be super hype. But what do you guys want? Leave it in the comment section down below. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys did get some sort of educational value from this. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.